Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a high quality article submission backlink, and also you guys can submit another backlink, create another backlink kind of images, videos, text, bookmarking. This website having a lot of features, so you guys can create multiple backlinks over this website. So before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 41, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 42, and the spam score is 4%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 28.8k monthly traffics, and the mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, USA, Russia, and the Colombia. So we have completed our research process. So if you guys are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so firstly you guys have to see this is a website dashboard. In the top of the right corner there is a register button. You can click over there, and there you guys can choose your username. Then after that you guys can choose your email ID. Then you guys can create your password. Then you guys can choose your gender. Then you can acknowledge the terms and conditions, and then you can click for the let's go. And after that you guys can update your profile picture. Then after that you guys can click for the save, and there you guys can choose your name. So you guys have to consider for the person name. Then you guys can select your country. There you guys can choose your date of birth. So and after that you guys can see there is a lot of options. Persons are available, so you guys can simply click for the follow 20 and finish. Other there is also option to guys can skip this stage steps. Okay, after that this is your profile dashboard, and if you wanting to update any details over your profile picture, over your profile, so there is option to you guys can update your cover images and your activities. So there I'm just only adding a phone number of a company. Then after that you can click for the save button, and once you guys can complete this process, so we can go to the home page section, and there is a plus button. You can click over there. There is a option to can click create new article, and also you can see there is a multiple option: video, images, text, stores, and you guys can also create the post from there now, a kind of a social media. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Then so now we can create a one article. So simply you guys can click over there, and I can simply choose one article from my website. Right now I don't have a fresh article, so I can go to use article from my website. After that I can delete this article. Okay, so there you guys can add a short description about your article. So I can copy these things, and after that you guys can finally add your article. Okay, and also you can see there is we have added recruitment and the staffing services. So there I can add my website URL. Okay, these things are added, and after that you guys can add your featured images, and you guys have to choose your category. So collections, movie, lifestyle, nature, people, and the okay. Then after that you guys can choose your tags. HR agency, social media. And after that you can click for the publish button. So you can see this is your blog landing page URL, and I can show you in incognito tab. So you can see this is a instant approval backlink article, and after that I can show you this is no follow do follow backlink these websites are providing. So you can see, and I can show you. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So you guys will create your backlink over that over this website, and you can see this website can provide you a do follow backlink, and you guys will publish with the read blog directory on that website your blog article, your blog post over there. So this is the process. So this is the best website for the article and the another social activity. So you guys have to consider, and also this website having very less spam score. So this is a very great thing. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me, found me easily. And also I can tell you I am from Delhi, so if you guys are near about me, so you guys will also consider me for talk to me the something whatever you want. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.